Greg from DIY RV and Home. Now, 4 years ago, we went full-time in our RV. It's been a great journey so far, but just as we started off, we ended up going through Missouri, and we stopped at Lamberts, home of the Throwed Rolls. Now, I made a video back then about it, and it was awesome. Awesome. Well, this year on our travels down to Arizona from South Dakota, we made a detour. We stopped through Missouri once again, and we went back over to the Lamberts. And I'm going to show you the video. Now, if you wait till the end, you're going to get a surprise just like we did. Enjoy. Lamberts, home of the Throwed Rolls. Yep, we're going to check it out tonight. Ooh-wee. Some cool food. You're quiet, all right.
Okay, I'd like a half slab of the barbecue ribs.
Yes, ma'am. What two sides for you?
I'd like to try the turnip greens and the baked beans.
You want pepper sauce for your greens, honey? Pepper vinegar?
Can I have it on the side?
Yeah, come in a little bottle on the side. Yes, ma'am.
I'll try it.
I'm going to try the Polish sausage and kraut.
It's good. Very good.
And for the sides, let's try, what'd you get?
I got the
Turnip
turnip.
baked beans.
Yeah.
So how about coleslaw
Okay.
and potato salad?
Sounds good. Mustard for your sausage and kraut? Just regular yellow
Yeah.
mustard on the side?
Okay, yeah.
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 Sounds good. I'll get this going for y'all, and if you need anything, just holler. My name's Christian.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Holy. Bleep and bleep bleep. There's the drinks. I got the kraut and sausage, and you got...
Turnip greens and baked beans.
And then we got some... No, that was the sides. What'd you get for your main?
Oh, half a slab of ribs.
Half slab of ribs. And then okra, buns. There's one right there. Ah! Whoa,
That works. We can share that.
sucker's warm. That thing is... All right. It's going to go off for a while. May come back when we have food. Might not. Oh, you know what? I think I might as well do it. I don't think the button was pushed.
I got Pepsi. Diet Pepsi. Be right back with this show, okay?
Y'all come back now, you hear? What's the odds? 4 years later, 20 servers on at any time. We get the same exact waitress. And by the way, food was great, service was awesome. Can't wait till next time we stop by Missouri, because we're gonna go get us some more of those Throwed Rolls. And until next time, happy camping.